AutoDS versus Zig Analytics for dropshipping detailed comparison. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll compare two platforms for dropshipping. Both of them offer a wide range of different features to help us to start our grow with dropshipping business. However, there are also some key differences between two platforms. In today's video, we'll compare them according to their features, prices, unique features. We'll take a look at their pros and cons, and you'll find exactly which platform is right for you. So let's start from the common features. Like on AutoDS, we have automated order fulfillment, product research and listening, inventory management, order tracking, and customer support. Also on Zig Analytics, we have the option to analyze sales, find products, analyze our competitors, use inventory management, and also like both platforms are available with customer support. And the common features are like product research. Both AutoDS and Zig Analytics offer tools to help you find and list products. Inventory management, both platforms offer inventory management tools to help you keep track of your stock levels. And customer support, both platforms offer customer support to help you with any questions or problems. And now let's take a look at the unique features. I think it's more important to know. So on AutoDS, we have automated order fulfillment. This feature helps you automatically fulfill orders, which saves you a lot of time and hassle. They have like order booster. This feature helps you increase your sales by sending automated emails to your customers, which is pretty cool. We can increase the number of orders. And for Zig Analytics, they have sales analytics. So this feature provides us with detailed insights into your sales performance, which can help you identify areas for improvement. Also, they have competitor analysis. So this feature helps you track your competitors' performance, which can give you a competitive advantage. And if we're going to talk about prices, we can try to use them with a free trial. So if you want to get 1 month of free trial with AutoDS instead of only 2 weeks, you can use my link at the description. After that, you can choose the necessary paid plan. And the same thing with Zig Analytics. Basically, you can find the most suitable plan as for you. And let's take a look at pros and cons. So for AutoDS, it's definitely easy to use. It has automated order fulfillment, wide range of different features, excellent customer support, but it can be expensive and not as many products to choose from as, for example, from AliExpress or other platforms. And Zig Analytics is really affordable, detailed sales analytics, competitor analysis, good customer support. And cons, it's not easy to use as AutoDS, no automated order fulfillment, and limited product research tool. So in conclusion, we can say that AutoDS and Zig Analytics are both great platforms for dropshipping. However, the best platform for you will depend on your individual needs. If you're looking for a platform that is easy to use and has a wide range of features, then AutoDS is a good option. If you're looking for a platform that provides detailed sales analytics and competitor analysis, then Zig Analytics is a good option. So here's some breakdown of which platform is best for different types of users. So AutoDS is better option for beginners because it's easier to use and has more features. But Zig Analytics is better option for experienced dropshippers because it provides more advanced features such as sales analytics and competitors analysis. AutoDS is better option for those who want a wide range of features. Zig Analytics is better option for those who want detailed sales analytics. And Zig Analytics is better option for those who want a competitor analysis tool and also for those who want an affordable platform. So I hope this comparison was helpful. If you want to use these platforms, you can find a link in the description. It's like affiliate links, you'll support my channel. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.